Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Small Business Certified AI Strategist program. We've made it to Module 9, the Intro to Research and Development. This is the stage where all the insights, data, and stakeholder feedback you've been gathering finally starts to come together into tangible deliverables. Over the last few modules, you've scored AI opportunities using the robust and MICE frameworks. You've collected ideas from your leader workshops, and you've identified business goals and constraints that will guide your recommendations. Now, our job is to take those raw materials and run them through carefully crafted templates and produce outputs that your clients can act on. By now, you should have your workshop outputs. These are summaries and interview notes and scorecards from the leader workshop and any follow ups. You have technical data, information about the client's infrastructure, their data governance, and maybe even their security considerations, everything that helps you evaluate the feasibility of each of these AI opportunities. And then you also have the business goals, the strategic objectives, the budget constraints, the brand positioning, and the ROI targets that basically each AI solution must align with. Now, I can't stress enough how crucial it is to keep all these materials in one centralized place, whether you're using Google Drive, SharePoint, or another collaboration platform. Make sure that you have everything clearly labeled and easily accessible because you have gathered a lot of information at this point and it's easy to get confused. This will allow you to move very efficiently when you are filling out the R&D templates and when you're prompting tools like ChatGPT or Claude for these draft deliverables. Now, up to this point, I've been fairly vague in terms of the deliverables that go into the AI roadmap, aside from you're going to put together a 12-month plan for your business. So let's outline the exact deliverables your client will be expecting. These are the outputs that demonstrate exactly how each AI solution fits into their broader business strategy. Typically, the final deliverables will include an AI roadmap report. And inside of that AI roadmap report, you'll have a Gantt chart, which is a prioritized list of AI opportunities, complete with a start and launch date, because some of these AI projects will take development time. So you'll have a start and a launch date, and sometimes you might have a few months of development that's required. And then second, you'll have AI tool description worksheets for each of the AI tools or opportunities that have been outlined. You're going to want to create a description of the actual recommendation for the AI tool. And this isn't just here's the opportunity, use ChatGPT. This is a detailed description that is a worksheet effectively that details each proposed AI solution. Third, for each of those AI opportunities, you're going to have the AI tool scorecard. This is a scorecard that reflects how well each solution meets a client's unique criteria. So remember, we had the scorecard that was unique to that particular business. You want to make sure that you score each one of these opportunities using the scorecard template. And then we have the RFP, or the request for proposal, for each of these AI opportunities. So let's say if the distilled list of opportunities that you're going to be integrating in the roadmap is 20 next year. So you went from 100 down to 20. You want to make sure that you create an RFP for each one of those opportunities. And the reason why you want to do that is explained here in a future module. And then lastly, inside of that roadmap, you're going to provide a value analysis for each one of these AI opportunities. The value analysis is effectively a deeper look at the ROI estimates, the projected cost savings, or the revenue gains associated with each solution. So you'll have the roadmap that's broken down into a Gantt chart, AI tool description, AI tool scorecard, RFP, and value analysis. The description, scorecard, RFP, and value analysis, that will be done for each opportunity. So if you have 20 of these, you're going to have 20 times 4 of those documents. You're going to have 80 of those documents. It gets big very fast. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in the most efficient way possible. So that way you create a high value deliverable for your clients, and it will allow you to scale your agency. So don't worry. In addition to the AI roadmap, you're going to be creating an AI roadmap presentation. This is a condensed version of that roadmap report that outlines the tools and the high-level initiatives defined in the roadmap. This presentation is typically scheduled with leadership, and it's a 2-hour presentation generally, where you will review the proposed roadmap, the individual tools, the ROI calculation with each tool, and you'll answer any questions that the client has. So, how do we actually build these roadmaps and presentations as efficiently as possible while maintaining a valuable, high quality deliverable for our clients? This is where the templates come in. Up to this point, we've prepared a set of standardized documents designed to capture the most relevant information that can be easily adapted to each client's needs. In just a moment, I'll walk you through how to use these templates in tandem with ChatGPT or Claude to generate solid first drafts that you can polish in the future. Now, the beauty of having each of these templates is that they act like blueprints. Instead of reinventing the wheel for each deliverable, you'll first gather your existing data. So think of your robust and your mice scores, your stakeholder quotes, your IT stack details. And then you'll feed that data plus our template into ChatGPT or Claude. And then you're going to use our recommended prompts to get your draft deliverables. Once we have that, we're going to refine the draft that the AI model returns, adding any insights or nuances that only a human expert like you would catch. Now, here is the magic. With the right prompts and the right templates that we provide you, you can get a 90% complete draft in a matter of minutes. Of course, that remaining 10% still requires your expertise, polishing the language, verifying accuracy, and making sure that the end result aligns perfectly with your client's brand voice and strategic objectives. In the sections that follow, we'll go template by template, giving you the exact prompt examples and the best practices for structuring your input so you get the best possible AI generated output. You now have a general idea of the blueprint for how to transform your raw stakeholder data into key deliverables that your clients expect. The aim here is to make sure that you're efficient while ensuring the quality of your output remains top notch. By combining your professional expertise with AI driven templates, you can quickly produce reports that resonate with clients and demonstrate tangible value. In our next module, we'll go deeper into exactly how to use each template, including real prompt examples you can copy and paste into ChatGPT or Claude. And then we'll also discuss the art of refining AI generated text to ensure that it meets your high professional standards. Until then, keep your assets organized, your templates ready, and I look forward to seeing how we make R&D an incredibly streamlined and even enjoyable process. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in Module 10.